hold on. Widener's Backyard Summer Projects, take 1. Andrew, you're on.
Okay. Hello, outsiders in the great big jungle. We would like to show you part of the house fun.
Okay. Wow, what are we Andrew, what are we walking on?
We are walking on.
What's it made of?
They are made of rock.
Rock. Okay. Okay, we're following you, Andrew.
I need to come in for a minute.
Okay.
We're right in the middle of a movie.
We're making a movie.
Does he have to come in right now?
5 minutes.
Okay, that's good. All right.
This is the garden. Lots
And strawberries?
of plants are growing around it. The Swingset could not be. Hey,
What's this, Andrew? Andrew, what's this? Andrew, hey, you're making a movie here. So what's this here, Andrew?
This is the swing.
The swing set. Do you like the new swing set?
Mm-hmm. This thing is very fun when it crashes, but sometimes it can crash you. Because it goes crash right there sometimes. Yeah. Get on with them.
Okay.
Get on with that tray. Yeah. Now we go back to the gardens again. There is the terrific Sandbox. And our last thing to show you is...
Oh, does the water flow, or is it just... Oh, there it goes.
Now,
What do you like about the creek?
it sounds like a real one.
Oh, here it comes.
Lots of stuff behind it. And it really does look like one.
So, what's going to be your closing comment here, Andrew?
What does that mean?
Closing comment like, this is Andrew Widener reporting live from Sammamish. You could say something like that. Because this is like kids' news. So you're going to sign off? What? You going to sign off? My name is Andrew Widener. You can say that. Let's say your name.
Now it's time for the end of the movie.